We got a couple of new additions to the homestead. We got some Gamecocks. Since we are right here in South Carolina, close to the Gamecocks, right here at you, in your face. Here we go. Another one of the Gamecocks. We got 2 males. This one's a little smaller than the other one, but they still should be getting ready to lay eggs soon. Yeah, here we go. Y'all check us out. If anybody got any tips on things we should do better, to take care of them, leave us a comment. Yeah, but everybody else, thank you.